Hello all, today we'll be learning about capstone projects. So capstone projects are generally submitted by students by the end of their course submission. So what exactly is capstone project and how it is different from dissertation, because dissertations are also submitted by the end. So capstone project is a comprehensive culmination of academic knowledge that is attained by the students throughout the course, along with the application of the skill set that they have attained or acquired by the course. So capstone project basically stresses upon delivering a solution or a product to the party. So their aim is to develop a product. For example, the title of a capstone project can be like developing a digital platform for an organization for understanding their social media analytics. So it will be the job of the student to actually design a platform wherein the organization can log in and see how the social media platform of that company is performing, how many customers are actually coming in, making the sales. So the student will be explaining in the entire project that how that platform will be built, executed, implemented, and how it will be used by the organization. So capstone project is more of practical. Another example of a capstone project can be an AI-powered chatbot used by the e-commerce platforms. So the student will be designing and then executing that chatbot for the organization and will be writing in the project that how to use it, how it was tested, then implemented, and how it will be used by the party. So along with writing the entire report, this is the main work that is accompanied in the capstone project. So when we come to content, it is similar to what dissertation is. So it will be starting with introduction and background. Introduction will be making the reader or the listener verse with the everything about the project, every little detail, every little background detail of the project. Along with this, the introduction will also contain the research objectives and research aim that the student is aiming to fulfill by the end of the project. That this will be the deliverables, like we say, by the end of the project. After the introduction, there will be literature review. Literature review will shed light upon the existing research findings of the studies that are available on that product. Maybe that product is upgradation of the earlier present product in the market, or there's already something like that present in the market. So we'll be writing the literature review related to that product. After that, we'll be shedding light. The third heading is the research methodology. So research methodology will comprise all of the testing, all of the technical things that the student has done or is planning to do for developing that product. So research methodology will comprise all of the methods that are adopted by the student for making that product a reality. After the research methodology, there will be research findings, data analysis that will be showing the exact testing results and the data frameworks that were adopted in the project for building the product. In the end, there will be conclusion and recommendations that will comprise of what the exact deliverable of the project was, and what are the recommendations for the people who will be using such projects or who want to develop such projects, or for the future researchers who want to build something like this. So that will be the recommendation section. So the capstone project should completely align with the product or the solution that the student is aiming to develop. So this is the overall explanation of capstone project, and it is only different with the dissertation because dissertation does not require the student to develop actual product or solution, while a capstone project requires the student to develop something in real so that it can be tested that the student is now perfectly skilled to step into the market and deliver such products to the organization or the third party. Thank you so much.